Welcome students. Dear students, welcome to all in the first day of the second year DSC. I hope all of you are happy and safe during this pandemic. Today I am going to talk about the first paper, Data Structure 1. In the first semester, the Data Structure 2, which is continue as from the last semester. Second subject, programming in C++, and one practical course is based on these two theory papers, and the network security as a skill advancement course. And similarly, from the previous semester, as per the previous semester, as you have chosen the Marathi or English language, that will be continued in the fourth semester. Again, the marking pattern is same as previous 60-40 pattern. In your syllabus, we have total 5 units given. Here the total five units as given. The first unit is Introduction to Data Structure. And algorithm notations. The 18 marks are assigned for the unit 1. So in the unit 1, you have to learn about the data structure, definition of data structure, operations, different types of data structure, algorithms, how to write the algorithm, or for writing the algorithm, what notations one should follow. That is the algorithm notations. In the first unit, the array data structure is covered. In the second unit, there is the algorithm analysis as per the time and space parameter. Means the time analysis as well as the space analysis is given in the second chapter. The remaining stack, queue and linked list 3, 4 and 5th chapters, you have the same contents, same patterns or same contents, means the pattern is same, means what is the exact concept, then what are the different operations that we can perform on a stack or on a queue or the linked list. How the particular data structure works. What are the applications of data structure? So all these points are similar in the stacks, queues and linked list, but the working way is different for each data structure. Total 5 chapters are based, the total 90 marks syllabus is given, out of which your question paper is also of 90 marks, out of which you have to attempt 60 marks paper at your external examination. Clear? Next one is the importance of data structures, or what is the scope of data structure, or why should one has to learn the data structure. What is the importance? Why we should learn this data structure? So students, the data structure and algorithms are the identity of good software developer. Means if you want to become a good software developer, then you must have the detailed knowledge of data structure and algorithm. The main reason behind this data structure and algorithm improves the problem solving ability of candidate. So different product based companies like Amazon, Adobe, Microsoft, Google, etc. are more focused on analyzing your problem solving capacity. Problem solving abilities means how that candidate solve the problem with the help of specific data structure. The different at the time of interview, the various companies just test you what is your logic and what is the way of your thinking. Is it out of box thinking or the general thinking? So according to that, they might know how brilliant you are and how you have the capabilities. Also, with the data structure algorithms, generally it is used to test the analytical skills of the candidates at the time of interview. Means they just given you the real world problem and just ask you which kind of the data structure is suitable for this real world problem. This data structure is the fundamentals of software development. No matter how new technology is used, and that puts the focus on the problem rather than the technology in the interview process. So, according to that scope or the importance of data structure, you might notice that you just focus on learning. Means you learn each and every concept by heart. You clear your doubts regarding the data structure on time. If you are the bad programmer, then you worry about the code, means how to implement that design or how to write the code. But if you are a good programmer, you just go through the data structure and their relationships. So about before going to the details of data structure, you must know about the data and information. As we are the know about the data and information. The data are simply values or set of values related to particular entity or the object. See, in your classroom, what are the different objects or entities that you visualize with your eyes? Simple examples: the board, table, chair, bench, door, window, fan, student. So, the everything that you visualize with your eyes and that will be comparable to other is called as the object. The data may be organized in different way in the computer's way. Or in other word, it is a raw material, facts, things, etc. And the information is different. It is a processed data or the finished products. In another word, it is meaningful data. Suppose we have the data related to students. So, what is the data regarding the student? What will be the data you should consider? Name of the student, year of the passing, class, and marks obtained. So all these are the attributes regarding to the student entity. You just organize the data in the descending order of marks attribute. Means descending order means the student who scores more that occupy in the first place, then in second place. So you will get the meaningful information, or you will get the merit list, and this is the example of information. So information is meaningful data, processed data, or the finished product. But simply data means values, the set of values. Introduction to data structure. So what is the definition exactly of the data structures, and what are the different kinds of the data structures that you have to learn? Way of, so it's a very simple. It is the way of organizing and storing the data in computers so that we can perform the various operations on the stored data more efficiently. There are the various operations that one can perform on any data structure. These are some of the common operations, or these are some of the operation traversing, searching, insertion, deletion, sorting, and merging. So traversing means what? Traversing means you just visit exactly once and print the information. Means see here in the middle diagram, length of array 10 diagram. Traversing means you just go to the position 0, print the element, then go to the position 1, print the element. So exactly visiting and printing the information is called as the traversing. The next operation is searching. So what do you mean by searching? Searching means to find out. Find out the information. Find out the data which is already available in the computer. Insertion means just you have to add something new in the data structure. Insertion means what? Insert means to add. To add the new element into the particular data structure. Deletion means to remove the particular item element from the data structure. Sorting means either you arrange the elements in ascending order or descending order. And the last operation is merging, means you have to merge the two or different files into one file. It's a very simple or easy to understand. In other words, it is logical or mathematical model of particular organization of data in computer memory. And these are some of the examples that you have to learn throughout the first semester. These are the various examples of data structure. The first one is the example of stack. The second figure is the example of array. Then, as per the picture, you might notice that the queue, all the pupils are standing in a queue on interview on some of the following different data structures are linked list, trees, graphs, etc. Generally, all these data structures are useful uh, in our day-to-day life. Means for the real time problem or for the real world problems, you just study that particular problem and then you go for then tree, then graph. about the different types of the data structure,